What's that mysterious ticking noise? It's not over here, it's not over there, but it's kinda catchy. Snape, Snape, smelliest Snape, 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 smelliest Snape, Dumbledore! Snape, Snape, serious Snape, 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 serious Dumbledore! Ron Weasley! Ron Weasley! Ron Weasley! Ron Weasley! Snape! Snape! Hermione! 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 Snape! Dumbledore! Snape! Snape! Serious Snape! Dumbledore! I found the mysterious. No, I didn't know! Harry Potter! Snape! I found the mysterious ticking. Dad Piper! Okay, Hannah, get into Voldemort. No. Are you ready? Hannah, just forget about the other armful.
Guys, do you think you guys can keep it down just a tad?
Okay.
Because you're getting pretty loud and Chaz is sleeping.
Voldemort.